I'm team leader from Tanga office, Tanzania. We are here to say thanks for Canada for help us to get these two motorcycles. For sure we are happy because Tanga areas is so remote areas. So through these motorcycles, it helps us to do our work on time. At the same time, we reduce the transportation cost because we use a lot of money for high border here in Tanzania. I mean motorcycles from one place to another. So because of this remote areas, it makes us to use a lot of money for the case of transportation. But for these two motorcycles, it helped me and my friend Joshua to reduce the cost of the transportation, at the same time to reach areas targeted at the time arranged. Thank you very much.
I'm project manager to our new office, Tanga office. We have the great pleasure to receive these motorcycles. We say thank you to our Canada and offices around the world for receiving these motorcycles. These motorcycles will facilitate us to reach the areas in order to provide the services. Due to the geographical area of Wandeni and Kilindi, Deni needs more motorcycles because most of the roads are rough roads and also there are steep slopes and mountains. So these motorcycles will help us to reach those areas, remote areas. Also, these motorcycles will reduce transportation costs that incurred last year. Thank you very much.